Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Cryptocurrency exchanges Binance and Crypto.com are losing market share to smaller competitors as decentralized exchanges gain momentum. Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange, saw a 13% year-over-year decline in spot trading volume. Defense contractor Lockheed Martin lifted its annual profit and sales forecasts, but shares slid 5%. The Maryland-based company now expects per share profit of $26.65 for 2024, above its earlier forecast of $26.10 to $26.60. Oil prices rose for the second consecutive session as traders downplayed hopes of a Middle East ceasefire and focused on a tightening global supply and demand balance. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session after a 1.1% intra-session dip. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The US Fed's Beige Book will be released at 18 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 14 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.